Goa Sports Club Sports Cell is organizing different events for the policemen, and we have also have some good teams like football, cricket,
400 मीटर्स
volleyball, kabaddi,
ज्यांनी आपली एंट्री
and
करून आसतली
we want
पयली
to
तांकां
encourage
आता चान्स आसा दे कॅन एनरोल देम
the
नेम्स ऑन द
sports
स्पॉट
person in
near
all
the
the
starting
fields of
point.
sports to excel, and which also help us to keep them physically fit, and also gets us in a very good relations with the public, so that we are
As a
visible.
request, participant for high jump
Our main aim is to keep a
below
force
35.
competitive, healthy, and this is one of the ways where we organize the sport meets in different events and different sports, so that we encourage them to be healthy, competitive. We are having only athletic meet here with whatever participants that we have, and in a longer term we will organize better meets with more this better organizational these facilities. Now we are at the initial state because our athletic team was dormant for quite some time. Now we have activating it. We are activating a athletic cell where we would like a Goan athlete to shine at the state level and national level also.